Hey guys, come on in. Fashion Nova gifts from my niece TT, Lady T. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. What's up everybody? It's your girl Sheila. PROMOSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. PROMOSTK. Sheila Creations Way. And PROMOSTK. What is it? ASMR sound and story time. Yeah, that's my third channel, y'all. I'm here to do an unboxing, y'all. My niece TT, Lady T, got me something, and I received it in the mail today. It's from FASHIONNOVA.com. Fashion Nova. She sent it to me. Oh yeah. So we're gonna do an unboxing, y'all. And I'm so excited. Thank you, Lady T. All right. Let's see how we're gonna get into this. Ready? Oh, let me do a picture. Gotta do a picture. I'm gonna cover up my shipping name because she didn't send it to my P.O. box. She sent it to my home. Oh yeah, that's my niece, TT. Thank you. Fashion Nova. All right, let's get into this unboxing. Ooh, what is this? All right, it's got some more stuff in there. Let's take a look and see what this is. Oh, Fast Love Henley jumpsuit. Ooh, Heather Gray, a 2X. Let's see. Let's see. Because, you know, I'm into those onesies now, y'all. And she has one on, and that's why I started wearing them, because every time we would talk on FaceTime, she would be in her onesie. I'm like, oh, girl, that looks so good. I like that. She said, great, it's so comfortable. That's when I started ordering mine. Ooh, look at this. Oh, yeah. 2X Henley jumpsuit from Fashion Nova. And it's a Heather Gray. Look at this. So y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm going, oh, they short sleeve. They half sleeve. Look at that. Ah, mine that I got was long sleeve. And these are, and oh, wow, look at this. Do we have pockets? No, don't have pockets. But it's only got 1, 2, 3 buttons. So that means it's easier for me to get out of, y'all. And the bottom is made just straight legs, not cuffed. Oh wow, this looks very comfortable. All right, so this one's a Heather Gray. And y'all know I'm gonna try them on so y'all can see, because she wants to see what it looks like on me. And, oh, I got something else in the bag. Let's see what she got in the bag. Wait, there's something else in here too. Okay. Oh, okay, it's a packing slip. Okay, so the Heather Gray one was $18.74, and the black, it's a Misha short sleeve jumpsuit, $22.50. Okay, got a return thing. If it don't fit, I can return it and get another size. Okay, got how to return, and then the other stuff from Fashion Nova. It's my first time getting stuff from Fashion Nova, y'all. Let's see what the black one looks like, because it's a different name. It's called Misha. Okay, this one says, it's a black, it's Misha short sleeve jumpsuit, Misha. So let's see what this one's looking like. Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice. Y'all see that? No wonder it's called Misha. Look at that. Okay, so this one's the front. This one's the front, I think. Lord, I don't know. We're gonna try it on though. We're gonna find out. Which one? Okay, normally the tag is in the back. I don't know. I guess I'll find out when I try this baby on. Oh, look at this, y'all. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Wide leg, too. All right, let me go try these on. Be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. Look at this. Now, I probably got to stand back a lot more for y'all to actually see this. But it's so comfortable. Let me see if I can turn it down a little bit so y'all can see. Now, I got my little thing right here on. Let's see. All right, let's see if I can do that. Y'all see this? Ooh, yeah. Yeah, it's okay. You know what? I'm going to take my shoes off. I'm going to stand up on my sofa. So y'all can see. Look at this, y'all. Y'all see me? Oh yeah. Oh, it's so soft. Y'all see this? And it's fit to my leg. You see this? Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. All right. So let me try on the black one. Oh, yeah. Be right back. Now, you guys, I'm going to assume that this is the front and that this is the back. I'm going to assume. So, let me step out here and let y'all see. I wish it had pockets. It feels so comfortable. Now, I'm going to get back on the sofa again so y'all can see the legs. There's some wide legs, y'all. Y'all see this? Yeah, baby. Okay. I'm sure I can see if I can lift my leg up without falling and show y'all right here. See that? See that long leg? Yeah. And then y'all see the back like this. Oh yeah. These go all the way down. I don't know. Whew. But this is so comfortable. Got a little elastic right here in the waist. So I'm gonna assume, you know, I got my little camisole right here, y'all. But I'm gonna assume that this is the back there. So, there you have it. I hope y'all enjoy looking at my unboxing and me trying it on for y'all. So I got, and what y'all think in the comment section below. What y'all think? This one's got the half sleeve. And this got like the quarter half sleeve right here. And they're all really, really, really soft. I mean, look at this. I don't know if y'all can tell how soft that is. I love soft. Look at that. Yeah, soft. And this is material right here. Very light. Very light. Thank y'all. See y'all in the next video. Yeah, baby. PromoSTK. PromoSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood, Sheila Creations way. Eating good in the neighborhood, Sheila Creations way. Oh yeah, this might be my thumbnail right here, y'all. Oh yeah, baby. With my oh yeah, baby at. Oh yeah. Thanks, Lady T, my niece TT. I love my gifts from Fashion Nova. My first gifts from Fashion Nova.